Good morning. It's December 17th. On a nice warm day, you're fishing with Bob. Today we'll be fishing for striped bass. I have this nice enticing lure over here, ready to be tossed into the water for the dinner tonight. Be ready for a big fight, because they're tough fish. Panoramic view of the Great Egg Harbor Bay here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Again, we got our Penn reel. We've got an Abu Garcia 400 graphite composite, and we also have this lure attached to the end. Now, stay tuned for a fishing adventure with your buddy Bob. Have a nice day.